to wait. Were you guys lucky? Of lucky blues. That we rehearsals for. This is the heater to get hot. Use the tool to restore heater. What's that? Let me see. Like it here, Harris. Eat hot blues. You're out. Out. This is the other cause we would go out the skirts the road or that's it. The paper road. Wait, the paper road? Yes. Get out. Undertoys have a wizard on the me so on the bullet. Restore the out. Okay, let's go. Okay, so I'm not gonna do now. Okay, get that. What's that to get a hurry? What's it punching? And this one is getting hard. Okay. Uh-oh. What? No. Wow! Ow, no fix it. Oh, well, where we go? We in the paper wood. This is actually work. Get all the telephone and I studied. Oh, go door. Oh, why? Welcome to the welcome to the paper world. And there's the squat. I'm the drawer. Oh, there's the twin. My name is Split. My name is Draw. Your name is Draw? Yeah. I don't cry over so here's it. Look at this. Whoa. You're Draw Autumn? Yeah, it is. So where's Chuck? I'm up here. What? Help! I'm sure there's a bug. I can't. I'm going down there. I saw down there and I gonna fall. What am I gonna do? So what am I gonna do past this? And holy smokes! I already got right. I can't get Mr. Jordan. I mean Joe. Can you do a help, Joe? Of course. Oh, thank you. I'm going down. What? Wait, Chuck, you okay? Actually said, to get ahead. Under his words. When the care really in his stinker, when under his words, okay, so efforts on the paper wall. What? Keep on the right. He'd get it out, kicking it replants. And after that, it's drawn for all the dark. Drown in the door. Yeah. Yes. I don't know if things gonna work. And I can't crack that. Then we're only gonna kiss. We can do this. Can this birds away? Finding the out to get to say and load that eggs. You sure? Yes. Mr. Dog Troll?
Yes.
We can counter this first.
Sure.
Birds could be foul. Little Chuck, he's pulling and taking the careful. Oh, down to get in. Horse. I don't know. That's what it said. Oh, look at I draw. Another draw. Another draw. You're the other person you stole. Yeah, what do you mean? Can you not? No. Why? You need that only to get the draw? Let's look my word. New twist. It's it. Give me the orange. Sure. Hey, not that. That it. Can we touch? Where you plant that seeds? You and what really done had to answer? No. Not that worse. He is getting hard to go towards. You can't get him. Let's see how one enter hot face. Yeah, this. He did not well eat. What we can do to get out of here, this cage? A drone? Where's the drone? I don't know. Chuck, wake up! Huh? Hello? Why am you? Oh, it's on balls. Wait, where's the other hole really behind? It's so. Why can't I really? What I am? Why I am so sick? Oh well. I just waking. Is this my dream? This is my dream. Okay. I get it. I have a dream and I have nothing or problem. Yay! I go there right. Wake up. Wait, what? Wake up. What's that? Wake up. Wake up. This is wake up. Wake up, get up. Kick up. Kick up. Kick up. Wake up! As what we are. We are trapped on the cage. Wait, we are trapped under cage? I can get this can be happy. Hey, what? Hey, the reed has Former pig. Okay, back here. The dark drone is kid these pigs see. He's not the real drone one. He's on dark drone. Maybe an alley. 1, 2, 3. Let me out with this cage. Nope. You're not here. Please start the hallway. Yeah. Today we go and get to eggs. Wait, no. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes. No. No. Stop. Stop. We are going. No. Come back here. Don't. Oh, there's no way we can go. Hi guys. Huh? Oh, what happened on there? Former pig sticks out on a cage. Can you get out us? Yeah. Start that together. Okay. That one. Okay. Okay, cage is out. Now run. Let's go. Let's go. Alright. And Addie's cat is ready. Yeah. That's right. This is easy to win on. Stop right there. Oh no, the birds! What? Run. You take out one. Okay, you done. Wait, I am done? I'm not done. You're cheater. Hey, don't let me out. Hi guys. Wait, what? Hi guys. We want to get started. Ow! I did this. Without answering, I draw you perfect. Okay, please give me one. You want this slingshot? Yes, that's why it's fun. Yeah, let's take a Birdman of the pigs. Oh no. Easy tickets. Dark pencil. Hey, wait a minute. Are you like me? Are you like me? We argued. I have a bug. And I have a body too. Hey, I'm the wheel. No, I'm the wheel. No, I'm the wheel. I'm the wheel. Ox is fighting. Let's go with one piggy man. Let's go. Alright. Oh no. Oh no! What is going to do? What is gonna do? What are you gonna do? The door is so torn. Oh. You ran away then. I win this. Oh. Yeah! Oh no! Boy! Yeah. You're not gonna do this. No, I did not. Take the door. With it. Take this. Huh, care. Are there old tourists sold? Yeah, they're their house. Okay, can you get hey? What? You. All you do tourists here. This is a guitar. What? That's a guitar. Huh, cool. Really? Like how do you see me did the buzz? What? He that were the formats. What? 4 minus 4 evils. Your task is heading first. This 8. No. Okay. I gotta try to say hard for you. 1 minus evils. Wait, what? When the door noises? What am I? All this is like a bully basis. Yes. Don't worry, we save you. What? No. What? I brought. What? Door 1, 5. Did it come down birds are there? It's game over. No, no, no. Ah. Ah, we complete. Oh, thank you, doctors. About you, doctors. The doctors really need it. Yeah. Okay, good. What is this? Why don't we go back up? We're gonna all row. Okay. You okay? Yeah. This is my nightmare? Yes. You took the whole result, What? Yeah, we need to back up. Don't worry, it pays it down. Oh, no, thank you, this. Let's get out. Yeah, we had it. Oh, there we go. How to ski hit. Yeah, what do you do, hunters? Yeah. Okay, thank you to the audio ski set. I have once that wanted. I want to talk to you. What? A portal. That's what I thought. Alright, it is. No, goodbye. And have a good look to read that. Thank you, Joel. We see you later. Yeah. Let's go. Goodbye. Finally. I'm free. Let's go there. Oh, I never did a toys. Whoa, really? Okay, I don't know what's happened to my brain. You did. Oh, we're back up. Don't think it's good. Sorry. Don't think it's good. Oh, I have an orange pencil. Ah! Let's go. Ah! Hey, this is not real. Oh, jeez. Why educate we on the plan? Yeah, the plan's not work. He keep cutting birds. I will get you again. And get out with hey, real can. Oh, wait, why we are stop? Oh, really? I do that. What? You can wait. Oh, hey, get me out of this orange cage. Haha, what do you think, Dot? We just do all the eggs or dots. So long. Hey, I'll come with Dora, obviously. And no, the opposite. No, we can't give up already. And that's where it started. Well, not to get the keys. Want that? Well, yeah, that's it. Hey, we'll always want to do it to the eggs. Hey, not for the octopus. It's for the something and eat it. Yes, time will fire. Will fire. So who are gonna get out with this thing? What? Hey, why is it dark? What's still dark? It was. Ah! Wait, Xbox.